How to fix price missing on a booking.com if you are a host. So what you need to do is log into your account, just follow admin.booking.com, put your login password, hit on login button and click on rates and availability and click on calendar. Here you need to select dates. For example, I would like to select April, so I will click on starting date and the date where I would like to make changes. So here I closed dates because I already have reservation here, but here I don't have any reservation. What I can do is I have my many rates added here. I can simply copy these rates. Let me show you how to do this. So what I can do is I can simply click on a date where I have price already and scroll it till the end. There's an option here, and here I should type tariff and select open. Click on, if you have many rooms you can add more rooms here. After that click on save. So you have added rate dates and these dates already are available for booking. If you have another tariff rates what are still in red, you can do the same for all your tariff plans. And you can see everything start opening. So here is how it works like. And if you simply want to close some date, you can click on, as you can see green, click on it and it become red. So you can close many days as you like this. So guys, use this trick in order to fix missing price in a booking.com.